Welcome to my channel. This is Crystal. You must have tried fried rice before, and everyone told you it's easy to make. Just toss in whatever left in your fridge together and you're good to go. My opinion, cooking fried rice is easy in theory, but getting it right does take a little know-how. After years of trying and errors and dishing up my fair share of burned fried rice, clumpy fried rice, I have 5 secrets I want to share in this video that anyone can pick up to turn your amateur fried rice to mouth-watering and crowd-pleasing, the perfect fried rice every time. Now let's get into it. First thing first, the rice. Rice is one of the most consumed food worldwide that comes in various shapes, sizes, textures, and unique flavors. For fried rice, your best choice would be medium to long grain white rice, such as basmati rice, jasmine rice, or the white rice I am using in this video, Calrose rice. Try to avoid the sticky rice that is commonly used in sushi rolls. It is just too sticky and not a very good fit for fried rice. You also want the rice to be cold, ideal if overnight. If you forgot to cook the rice the night before, get up early and do it first thing in the morning and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. Will do the trick. Just don't use the fresh batch of warm rice because it will not fry well when it hits the hot pan. It could result in soggy and sticky clumps. No good. The next secret is the veggies. Not like the takeout fried rice, the benefit of cooking at home is you can add in as many types of veggies as you want. It not only adds a nice spot of colors, but various flavors, textures, and freshness to the fried rice. The most common veggie for the fried rice can be onions, carrots, celery, corn, frozen is fine, peas, as the basics. If you want to include more, the sweet red peppers and the mushrooms, or any other vibrant colored options you like. Keep in mind to chop the veggies in smaller, fine pieces. You want every ingredient blend well in your fried rice. Any big chunk of one item will break the harmony of the perfect fried rice. Watch the ratio between the rice and the vegetables. 1 cup of uncooked rice can rise up to approximately 5 cups of cooked rice. 2.5 cups of finely chopped raw vegetables paired with 1 cup of uncooked rice will create a perfect texture variance and a visual balance based on my experience. To make a nutrition balanced meal, we can't miss protein. The most common option is egg. Other alternative can be shrimp, chicken, or firm tofu if you're a vegetarian. Chopped ham is another option to add additional protein and a pop of color to the dish. When everything is cleaned, chopped, and ready to use, let's turn on the heat and cook. Non-sticky pan on high heat for 20 seconds. Pour 1 tablespoon cooking oil in. When the oil is hot, pour chopped onion, stir, then add mushrooms and the carrots in. Keep stirring until the onions become transparent. Then add rice in. Press down and break the rice apart. You should not have any big chunk of rice in the pan. Now dig a hole in the middle of the rice. Pour the egg in the hole, then thoroughly mix the egg with the rest of the mixture. Another way is to scramble the egg up front, but this way you will use less oil and the egg will blend and immerse into the rice and vegetables perfectly and turn your rice into this beautiful golden yellow color. Stir the mix until you don't see any running egg in the pan. Then add in the veggies and the proteins one by one. Keep stirring and make sure all the ingredients are well in touch with each other. The last secret is the seasoning. I don't even use salt in this video. Instead, I use oyster sauce and light soy sauce to lightly brown the rice and season the dish. Oyster sauce adds in the mild sweet, salty, and savory taste, while the light soy sauce gives the dish a nice punch of the saltiness. A pinch of black pepper, drops of sesame oil, and sprinkled green onions before turning off the heat will bring the flavor to the next level. In about 20 minutes, you will be ready to enjoy your most delicious, colorful, and customized fried rice. Take a bite, let the layered flavors, rich textures, and the pleasing colors excite your eyes and your mouth in every single scoop. Now you have it. I hope the secret shared in this video can inspire you to try it out in your own kitchen, to enjoy this easy and delicious dish to find your perfect combination of fried rice. If you like this video, check out my other fried rice recipe linked under the description. Visit my website to get a detailed recipe printout and subscribe to my channel for more healthy homemade recipes every week. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.